Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we have a great product for home maintenance of reaching those areas of your home that you need to clean, like the gutters and the fascia boards of the house, the side of the house, those second story windows. This is the product you're going to need, or you may not need it, but it will really help. This goes from 5 feet to 24 feet. Each one of these is a 5-foot extension, so we're going to show all of this, but I just wanted to let you see what you get. First, over on the left, you get these little spray nozzles, and that's what's going to deliver the concentrated spray. And right in here, this particular one is, I think, 15 degrees. It's 15 degrees. Each color is a little bit different. This one's 25, so the green is 25. I think that's the spray angle that you get. So I'm going to probably use the green one. Now, you get, these are the ends that are going to go to the end of the wand. And this screws in the end, and then these will attach onto that point, or we have attachments here. You could either use this. Now this is a great one for reaching into the gutters like that and spraying down in there. So you can, we'll use both of these and show you a demonstration of them. And you also have one of these with a tight angle that you could put a spray nozzle into this one. And it might be that you want to go straight down. So there's a lot of variations that will meet all the demands, or most of them, that you need between those two. That's what goes on the end. Or you can use an adapter, one of these adapters to go in the end. Well, you have to use one of these. You either have to use this or the other to get a quick connect. Okay, so you also get one of these. This will go into one of these locations, and you are able to get an angle like that and like that. So that gives you variations. You have adapters, and this is going to possibly go on the end of your cord for your pressure washer to connect into the unit itself right here. So this is an adapter, unless your cord on your pressure washer has a quick connect already on it. So they give you one here. They give you some Teflon tape to make some connections where you need to go from brass to brass. So you got that. You got a user manual here, which is going to outline a lot of the things. Well, unless this is out like this, it's hard to identify what it is, but it's this goes over your shoulders, this goes down your back, and this goes around your waist. And then right here is a connector that's going to go to right here, which is going to help hold that long wand up in the air. You'll need something to hold on to, so that's what you get. When you're ready to extend this, you only need to extend for the amount you need. You don't have to use it all, and you don't have to go all the way out. But as you pull it, you see that goes out. And then you lock it down, and then you can go another one. And then you lock it down. And keep on going. If you notice, I have quite a distance here that I can operate from and get most all of my house with just that amount. Now, what we're going to do is take this out to the driveway, and I'm going to show cleaning my gutters, and I'm going to put the attachment on there. Okay, my demonstration in the yard or in the driveway is going to be cleaning the gutters on the front part, and I'm going to use this attachment in here. And notice the handle is down in the correct position, or actually this is up, like this is the correct position, okay? This is the way the trigger goes. So I want this facing down to do the job I want. So you want to plan out which way you want this nozzle when you're setting it up. Will make it easy that you don't have to go and reconfigure it. Okay, so now, see, that'll be in the angle that I need to spray any kind of a side. When I go to use this for cleaning the gutters, I could just go ahead and use that like that and be able to get down into the gutter, or I can turn this around if I want to get a different angle, and I could use this. This will give you a different angle. Those are things you have to work with. But this is going to give a demonstration of what I want to do, and I'll put my 25% in there. And now she's set up, and you set your spray the way you want it, and she's ready to go. I'll pull it out later. I'm going to the driveway now. See you out there. This is the adapter to go into my hose for my pressure washer. Just goes right in there, and then just screw this down, and then this will be my quick connect. Okay, and this goes right on here. You pull this back and slide it on, and it'll snap in, and then let that go back. And now I'm going to just show you before I crank the motor up for the pressure washer how we use this harness right here. And I tighten her up, and this is going to hold on to this part right here if I need it. If you don't need it, it's okay. So what you do is push this in, and you see what it does is allows you to lock this trigger down. When you pull the trigger, actually you got to have it like this. This is the up, and right here is a trigger lock, so you can pull it up, pull the trigger, and then I can sit here and hold up. Now I need to turn this to where it's correct and lock her down. And now you see I can control this with this harness. Is a great help because it holds it, and I've got it clamped so the pressure is going all the time. To take it off, pull up, push that down, and off it goes. Okay, now I'll disconnect, and we're going to clean that gutter. Can see the job that it does, and it can reach much higher, so there's a lot of potential. Now I'm going to change the head so that I can show cleaning the gutter and how this little part right here will work. I just take this out and put it in this end, and then this goes in here. And now we'll see how that works. This gives you an idea of what you can do with this.